The third product on this list is the Outland Living Vertical Garden. This next one is easy to assemble and is a perfect tight space solution with easy to follow instructions that ensure the assembly of your garden planters will be quick and straightforward without any power tools needed. We found that each hanging plastic box container is 22 inches, which provides adequate room for your plants without wasting precious space in a small apartment, balcony, or any outside area. Another advantage is that you can grow various herbs, seeds, flowers, succulents, or vegetables in just a single place at home. It has plastic bins made from 100% new polypropylene material and is food safe. If you cannot enjoy gardening due to hip and back issues, this is the product you are looking for. The vertical garden bed is built with high-quality materials to ensure the stability of the combined weight of soil, water, and plants. The freestanding vertical garden frame and planter boxes are weather-resistant, making them suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Lastly, this ergonomically designed unit fits within 6 square feet of space and allows you to establish your flourishing garden of tasty ingredients in next to no time. Its pros are, it is the ideal size for smaller homes, it does not require power tools to assemble, and it is made of high-quality materials that make it sturdy. However, there are no drainage holes, so if you intend to have it outside, you may want to drill some or risk drowning your herb garden in the first big rainstorm. The Outland Living Vertical Garden is ideal for green-thumbed people who don't have a lot of space to enjoy their favorite hobby.